Okay, let's get prepared now. Prepare my vegetarian meal. This is what I'm gonna have. Celery, red onion, garlic, beetroot, the carrot, pepper, sweet pepper. This one is the best one. Red and the yellow is the best one. You get 5 times the amount of vitamin C out of one of this than what you get out of an orange. And everyone knows this already who live in Britain. Alright. String beans. These are my beans. It's good for a draining tissue in your body. And my red cabbage is better than the green one. More string beans, and I'm gonna get myself prepared. See you later. So this is how I start to prepare it. I cut them in the size of this. Cut them in the size of this. Then I will cut up my sweet pepper. You get 5 times more vitamin C out of one of this than what you get from an orange. Yeah, I'm now preparing my Brussels sprout and my broccoli. Alright, with my string beans. Very good for your tissue in your body. Your joining tissue, it's good for that. Garlic, oh, good for blood pressure. And even build your immune system. If you have weak immune system, it can strengthen your immune system so you don't get a lot of colds and all those things. Get my cabbage prepared, my red cabbage. The red cabbage is very good. It's better than the green one. You get a lot of things from the red one. See, even the red onion is better than the other one, the green onions. Anything in red is very good. Grapes. The red grapes with the seed is much better. And this is how I just pack everything in one pot and cook down everything for about maybe 20 minutes. I'm now preparing my red onions. The red onions is very good. It's work as antibiotic in your body. It's like an antibiotic in your system. It's very good for you. This celery, it's good for your blood pressure. It's very good for pressure. It's work like just like the beetroot, lower your blood pressure. And the garlic, both of them work alike. They do the same job, but the garlic is so good. It's very good. I love my corn. I love my corn every week. This is my corn. I'm gonna cook it down with my pumpkin and some small potato. Just wash them and cook them in the skin, just as it is. Okay, get my pumpkin wash. Pumpkin is good. It's lower risk of heart disease and strokes. That's what it's good for your system. Promote bowel regularity. And for women now, it supports healthy pregnancy. And it's also help fight inflammation in your system. That's a good use of pumpkin. So everything we eat in these days, we must know what it's used in our system for. The corn, yes, it's a very good source. It promotes a healthy digestive tract, help produce and enlarge prostate. Corn is very good. Even the potato, it's help lower blood pressure also. It's good for blood pressure. Help calm your nerves. It's good for also your nerves. Help fight inflammation in your body. Alright, this week is butterfish with vegetable. Steaming down at the moment. Just put it on, get it preparing. Butterfish. And my regular Mixed veg as usual. Steaming down at the moment. I'll give it the next 15 minutes. Just turn on. Well, I'm cooking the corn first before putting in my pumpkin and my potato. Alright, let's put in my potato now. When it's cooked, eat it with the skin and everything. For the corn now cook. Corn is now cooked. So let's get down to business after. Cover it up and let it boil down. This one now, I mixed veg, string beans, broccoli, red onions, turnip, beetroot, carrot, you name it. And everything in this one, I know the purpose of it and what it done to your system. Yeah, about the next 10 minutes, my pot will be ready. Everything will be ready in the next 10 minutes. Alright, eating time now. This is my menu. Just 2 small potato, my pumpkin and my corn, my fish is over here, and pure vegetable in between. That's my menu. No even salt not on it, no salt. And just having a ital menu. Respect. This is my menu for the day. Healthy eating. As I said, this is good for blood pressure with the skin on it. Most of the stuff, beetroot, cooked with already garlic, string beans and corn. Thank you, Father. Give thanks.